Do you have girlfriend?
Bro, I am single, bro.
Oh, you can find here so many girlfriends. So many
Oh,
girls in Thai.
that's true.
Okay, guys, I am here in the Khosong Road. Today we're gonna ask the people their question about their life in Bangkok so far. So we're gonna shoot here today. We're gonna interview. Okay. Oh, what is this, bro? What are you selling? Fuck. Can you show this one? What is this? What the fuck? Can you show this one? Oh. Can I? Oh my goodness! What is it? Snake? Similar snake. Can I touch it?
You don't touch it. If you want to buy,
How much?
touch it.
Wow, fucking the snake. What's the cobra? Guys, you see the Thailand here is they are selling snake.
Yes.
And how about this one? What is this?
Scorpion.
Oh my goodness. How do you say in English this call something else? I forgot his name, but it's
Scorpion.
I don't want to die, you know. This is what it is.
Never die. Can eat. If
Oh.
die, cannot sell every day, you know.
I can people eat this one snake.
Yes, the next. Let me be.
Can you show this camera snake? What the fuck? And what is this? This one?
Photo, 20 baht.
21. No money.
Coffee.
I don't. I'm not a creator, you know. I just started my YouTube journey. After when I become, oh sorry, I want to become Indian Mr. Beast. When I become Indian Mr. Beast, then I will give you money.
Okay, welcome to ข้าวสารรถ okay
Okay.
แล้วก็ไปขายที่อินเดีย
Thank you. All right, guys. You can see here, every restaurant is here. They are selling. Hello. What is the lottery? Oh wow, nice food here. You can, guys, if you want, you can come here to eat. No, this was just checking. Later, not now. Hungry, not now. They're selling. Oh my god. Oh good. You want to famous in India? You want to famous in India? What's your name? Who? Nia?
Cambodia.
Cambodia? What Cambodia?
Manager. Thailand.
Thailand?
สวัสดีครับ Thailand นี่ manager นี่
Who's manager?
no manager
Oh, okay, no problem. Australia? How long your trip in Bangkok?
5 days.
5 days. Where are you going after Bangkok?
Back to Malaysia.
Back to Malaysia?
Where are you from?
I'm from India. What do you think about Bangkok?
Yeah, interesting city.
Do you like it?
Yes, very much.
You want to move here?
Maybe.
Okay. What do you think about nightlife here? It's good.
Yeah, very good.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, my friend. How are you? What are you selling? Chilling. All right. No, I am not Habibi. I'm from India. I'm from Bai. You know. Acha. Bai, how are you? Good.
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 Chai.
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 Later. Very good. Where are you from?
From Israel.
Oh, Israel. I love Israel.
Oh, thank you very
Yeah.
much.
How long have you been here in Bangkok?
Around 2 years.
Around
I
2
live
years?
here. Yeah.
You are living in Bangkok?
Yeah, I do boxing, Muay Thai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about Thai girl?
Perfect.
Perfect.
But not Thai man, Thai girl.
Oh, okay. I know. Which is better? Which is Thai or Israeli?
Half and half.
Oh, half and half. Which is your best experience?
Israeli.
Oh, Israeli. What do you think about Thai girl? Thai girl also very nice.
Very, very nice. Best. Also, I like. Very nice. This is why you stay here, you know.
What do you think one most shocking thing in Bangkok? You don't like it?
What I don't like in Bangkok?
Yeah, what you don't like in Bangkok?
Many traffic. But after everything, we stay in Bangkok, so I don't care.
Oh, okay,
Understand?
okay. Thank you so much. Oh, what do you recommend? You recommended to people come here Bangkok to see?
I come to foot massage now.
Oh, okay.
To relax a little bit.
Oh, he's lying, guys. He's lying. He's doing something else now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Colombia.
Oh, Colombia, Medellin.
Medellin.
I am from Bogota.
Bogota, you?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I speak little bit Spanish also. Yeah, I'm still learning. I want
Vamos a
to.
hablar en español. De
No,
ahora en adelante solo español.
hablo only poquito.
Poquito, pero
Poquito.
intenta.
Yeah. How long have you been here, Bangkok?
Yo estoy en Bangkok hace 3 días.
3 days.
3 días.
You're gonna stay in Bangkok. After Bangkok, where are you going?
Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai. I'm going too. I will see you there.
Ah,
Yes. What is your experience in Bangkok? Do you like it?
beautiful, it's beautiful. Bangkok es una chimba.
Yeah. Which is
Es
better?
una chimba. You know?
Yeah. Which is better city, Bangkok or Medellin?
Medellin.
No,
Bangkok
Bangkok.
is like Medellin, it's similar.
Similar,
In
yeah.
another country, in another.
Yeah. I think.
Both. In the same boat.
Yeah. Same, right? Thank you so much. Do you get Thai girl? Do you have girlfriend?
My girlfriend,
Okay,
my wife.
sorry, just wife. Do you have a?
Yeah, he's alone, he's
What?
single.
Okay, do you have girlfriend?
Bro, I am single, bro.
Oh, you can find here so many girlfriends. So many
Oh,
girls in Thai.
that's true.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
that's
can-
the idea. That's the
You can
idea.
take her
man.
in Colombia. Just teach her Spanish, you know?
Yeah, why not? Why
Yeah.
not? That's a good idea.
Spanish. I'm going to in maybe next year.
Really?
Yeah, Medellin. I want to do
Bro, you should go.
next year. I want to do.
Esperamos en
Yeah,
Colombia.
I want to learn the Spanish also.
Okay.
I've been to Cartagena.
Cartagena, okay.
Yeah, but I want.
Esperamos. We wait you in Cartagena.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Gracias.